How to fix Mandiri app login failed. So if the login has failed on the Mandiri mobile banking app, which is Livin by Mandiri app, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Check if you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, make sure to disable those as well. Now if you're using the Mandiri app on your Android phone, just long press on the app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page. From here you can go to storage usage, where you can clear the cache files and clear the data. Now if you're still not facing the issue, then chances are that you have not registered for mobile banking. So first make sure to register it, and you can enter your card number here. So right after you come to this page, you can agree to their terms and conditions here and tap on I agree and enter your card number if it's a debit card, or tap on click here to option to enter your credit card information, and from there you can follow up a couple of steps. If you forgot your password, you can also try to reset it. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.